Hi, my name is Jose and I am part of the MuukTest team. MuukTest has implemented a set of tools that will give you testing superpowers. Today, I will give you an introduction about the MuukTest portal and some of the great functionalities you can find on it. We have the dashboard here, where you can find statistics about the tests you have created and their executions. On the test section, you can consult, execute, clone, delete, or create variations of any test or test block that has been created. If you click on a test, its information will be displayed. Here you can see the general information about it, and you can also modify the steps. Add notes, change the action of a specific step, change values of the inputs, and add or delete the steps. Here you can also execute the test, import a database to run a test with your own data, create or add snippets, or make a basic authentication. You also have the option to create test blocks, set timeouts, use the Smart Selector, or field rules functionalities. About the Smart Selector, it is a functionality which executes the test on the cloud and prompts the result for each step to the user. Once it finds some missing element, it will display where the failure was detected and let you choose another object to replace it. Finally, on the execution section, you can find every execution that has been run. If you click on it, you can see the result of every step of the test, play a video of the execution process, or to export a report of it. Thanks for watching.